Okay, I'm going to show you a super useful tool in Schoology, and it's actually one of my favorites. Today, I just spent some time making some personalized videos for students. So when you go to course options, you can click View Course As, and you're going to be allowed to choose any one of your students. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the student I have already up. And I remind them, here's where materials are, here's where updates are, because me as a teacher, I post an update every single day, giving them directions on what they're supposed to be doing. But that is not the best part of it. Okay, so that's where we're going to look next. Okay, so again, materials, updates, but here is the best part. So in grades, okay. I hide the overall average because then it minimizes any difference between, we use Infinite Campus, so any difference with that syncing, okay? What I want students to focus on is looking at their assignments. They can see their grade. For me personally, I cross out, meaning I drop one grade in each category. So I explain to students that this is crossed out because it's the lowest grade in this category, and that's the grade that gets dropped. All right, so in each category, you'll see here's the other one. This is the one that is dropped. Okay, what I tell students to look for is the missing orange hexagon. Okay, when they click on the assignment, it literally takes them directly to the assignment. They can see the directions and can submit the work. Okay, so that happens even with things that aren't missing. So if this student wants to find out why they got this grade on this assignment, click on the assignment. It takes them directly there. They can see the directions. And if I'd made any comments, they would be able to see them there. Okay, so I encourage students, right, to look for orange hexagons, click on the assignment, it takes them directly there. All right, so no matter what your course is, this is the best thing about using the grades on Schoology, is that students are able to access the assignment super easily. In addition, these papers say that there was a submission. I require students to fill out a missing work form. So you can see right here, there has been a submission, it's still showing up as missing, which means this student probably did not send me that form. Where is that form that I post for them? Well, look in materials. Right here, I have this announcement pinned at the top, and right here is a form for late work. So this is totally clickable. They can make it full screen, okay, or not. But either way, they can click on this, and here's the form for late work. I tell them, if you don't fill out the form, I don't look for it. Okay? I do not have time to be hunting around for little pieces of paper in resubmitted assignments or scrolling through the gradebook trying to find it, even if I highlight view, through the view option. Okay, so grades, really encourage your students to look at grades, look for orange missing hexagons. All right, I'm going to make a student version of this, but this was for teachers so you can understand exactly what students see and how to help